Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying whether the noun is countable or uncountable, because that decision drives the choice. Look at the noun now. If it names multiple items or a plural concept, you will usually pair it with other. If you want one more item, choose another. Once you spot the noun form, make sure to adjust articles and number. For example, other people versus another person, other information versus another piece of information. You now form full sentences by matching determiners and verbs to your choice. For example, say other options are available because options is plural. Say, would you like another option? When offering one more. Once done, make sure to use the correct determiner. The other points to a specific set. Some other implies nonspecific alternatives. Also remember parallel structure in lists. Keep other with plurals and another with singulars to avoid awkward mismatches. You finish by proofreading aloud to catch agreement errors and clarity problems. If a sentence sounds odd, check whether other refers to plural or uncountable nouns. If it's ambiguous, replace other with a clearer noun phrase or use another when you mean one more. If things still go wrong, rephrase using one more, an additional item, or another one. These alternatives often resolve confusion. Finally, practice with quick edits until the distinctions feel automatic and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.